Hi, I'm Dr. M. Kamakshay. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to import different types of data files in SADSA. So, in order to import different types of, there are different implementations in SADSA where you can import CSV, XLSX, JSON, TSV, and there is a peculiar encrypted data file called .SADSA, something like that. In this video, I would like to confine particularly to CSV and Excel files. So if that is the objective, then see, right now I have some data in my main window. If I want to clear this canvas, I just have to press this clear data so that the whole data will disappear from the main window, and then go to the second submenu, that is open data file, and usually that will take you to the installation directory. You can see that in my C directory program files SADSA Ultimate, which is installation or home directory for SADSA. You got something called underscore internal. This is actually the all associated material, the location where all associated material is available. I'll quickly take you to a folder called data, in which I have all my survey data sample demo files, and here if you click on this button, it will show you what are the different files which you can import into this application. Right now I would like to demonstrate CSV files. So if I use CSV and press CSV on this, if I select CSV option, then it will show all the CSV files in the directory. I just wanted to go quickly to a particular data file which is called recorded underscore var. So when I press open, this will open this is just a small sample data file for quick testing purposes. As you can see, first a few variables, they are socioeconomic characteristics of some certain sample survey individuals, and there are certain variables like S1, S2, S3, P1, P2, they are study characteristics. I'm not going to talk about what these characteristics and what they represent and all. This is just a simulated synthetic data which is available from a CSV file. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to import the data from the CSV and Excel files. Now this is how you can import the data from the CSV files. If you would like to import data from Excel files, again go back to this submenu, open data file, and this time you select the XLS and XLSX and XLS option. Then you will have a whole bunch of Excel files which are available from this default directory data, by the way, which is available from the SADSA home directory, which is installation path, available from the installation path. Now I would like to import something, sample products XLS or maybe sample data, and then press open, and the Excel file data will be open for you in the main window. Now this data is available for the further processing. You can just go to any data edit options, you make use of any option under edit or transformations or data analysis. You can perform all those techniques, whatever available under this menu. You can just do machine learning or etc, etc. Okay, that's all for this video. Stay tuned for the new content, and bye bye for now.